Hello my dear friends, it's Marion here, and today I'm going to show you how I will accelerate my balance from $1. Let's accelerate our deposit to, for example, $5,000 using this simple strategy. This strategy can be used even by beginners, it can be used for any platform. So let's go with the indicators I'm using today: fractal, zigzag, and stochastic. These indicators also help me to analyze the chart and choose the right point to enter the trade. So guys, are you ready? Let's start. I'm going to work with the first currency pair, the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar. Yes, I'm considering the whole graph and I'm going with the red. And come on. What can we see right over here? According to the stochastic oscillator, the lines are beginning to perform the reversal and move lower. In addition, the price has reached a pretty good resistance level, which tells us it will continue to decline. That's a great result, my friend. The first trade closes perfectly and we can take our profit. The strategy is working out great. Let's keep looking. There's already $2 on the balance and I'm going to put my investment. So let's go further to the next currency ratio, the United States dollar and the Brazilian real. Okay, I'm going to zoom out and check the whole graph again. So guys, here I want to open a trade with call option. And right now, why did we do that? On the stochastic indicator, we see that the lines are crossing and starting to make their reversal. In addition, the price has reached a cut support level from which it will push off and go higher. That's great, dear friends. It's a profitable deal again. That's a very good start. There's already $4 on the balance. I put my box. Let's go further with analyzing the market and finding more interesting cases. So here we are. We went to the New Zealand dollar and to the Swiss franc. I'm going to consider the whole chart and let's check this out with pushing the green button and let's try. What can we notice here, guys? According to the stochastic indicator, the lines have reached the lowest level and they are starting to perform their reversal. In addition, we have an uptrend here and the price has reached a support level which tells us it is going down further. I would also like to note that in our Telegram channel we analyze these trading strategies on a daily basis, which help us to identify a good point to enter trade. So click through, subscribe and stay up to date with all the new and fresh strategies. Guys, look at this. Our deal is working out great, closing in the plus. There's almost $10 on the balance. It's a very good start, a very good result. Let's put $7 in my investment and go further. I'm going to come back to the second currency ratio and here I want to try with red. And come on, what can we find right over here? The price has reached a resistance level from which it will push off and go down. According to the stochastic indicator, we can also notice that the lines are starting to cross and move downward. That's great, guys. An amazing result. There's already $14 in my pocket. I think it's a very good start. What do you think? We're not going to stop, go to the next currency pair, the New Zealand dollar and the Canadian dollar, and here we are. I'm considering the whole graph and let's try with call option right now. What can we observe here? According to the stochastic indicator, the lines begin to perform their reversal and move upwards. In addition, we can determine from the chart that the price has reached a good support level from which it is currently pushing upwards. Yeah, great. We're closing the deal on the plus side. Congratulations! The strategy is always working out perfectly. Let's continue our work. There's already $26 on the balance. We don't stop there, so we go further to the next currency pair. I want to zoom out to consider the whole chart, and guys, let's go here with pressing the red button and come on. So what can we see here? According to the stochastic indicator, the lines are beginning to perform their reversal, and in addition, the price has reached the resistance level for which it will push back and go down. Moreover, by the fractal indicator, we can determine that an arrow has formed, which tells us about further price decline. Oh, that's great, my friend. How do you think? As you can see, the deal is working out perfectly. We gain our money. Okay, let's try it further. There's already almost $50 on the balance. I think it's a very good result for this amount of time. I told you, this strategy is fully working, suitable even for beginners and for any platform. That's why I use it. So I need to skip these currency pairs which are not working, and let's again work with our first currency ratio. And okay guys, I'm going to check the whole chart again and again, and let's try here with the greens right now. What can we notice here? According to the stochastic indicator, the lines are starting to perform the reversal and go up. It is also worth to note that the price has reached a good support level, and it is starting to execute its reversal. We also have to say that by combining several confirming factors before we enter the trade, our deal becomes more than certain. That's why we're boldly going all in, and we are not afraid of losing our money. That's great, my friends. Our trade closed in the plus side. That was an interesting case. This strategy is always working itself out. What do you think? Let's continue and find something profitable, guys. So I'll play with the United States dollar and the Swiss franc, and here we are checking the whole situation. Let's go with call option. Come on. We have to mind the stochastic oscillator. Its lines begin to perform the reversal, already moving upwards. It is also worth to mention that the price has reached a good support level and is moving higher. So, well, we need to combine several confirming factors and our deal becomes more than a sure thing. That's why we're opening this trade. Oh, that's great, guys. I'm pretty glad. Our deal's closing and we're in a profit again. Not bad. Well, the balance is already $169. Let's move on and find more profitable and interesting situations. And okay, here we are. I'm going to put my investment, for example, $169, and that's all that I have, but I'm ready to risk. The United States dollar against the Canadian dollar. Let's consider the whole graph, and I think let's go with the reds right now. What do we have right over here, guys? The price has reached a resistance level from which it will push off and go lower. So according to the stochastic indicator, we can see that the lines are starting to perform their reversal and go down as well. Yeah, great. Look at this, guys. Our balance is already $319. As a reminder, we've started with just $1. I'm pretty glad and happy about it. We're not going to stop here. Okay, we're moving on the next consideration, and we skip that pairs which don't work, and we're working with the euro and the Canadian dollar. So what do we have right over here? I think we have to try with pressing the green button, and let's go. We have a very confident entry point right over here. The stochastic oscillator shows that the lines are starting to perform the reversal. That's the first confirming factor. The second is the price. It has reached the support level from which it will push up and go higher. The fact also signals to us about a further upward move in the price. Great result, my friends. The balance is already $600, so let's put it into my investment box and I'm pretty happy. How do you think? I think that it's time to go further and continue finding captivating situations with a great profit. Let's reach the currency ratio and consider the whole chart. I'm going to try with call option up here, so let's go. What do we have to mind right over here? The price has reached a support level from which it will push up and go up further. It is also worth to note that according to the stochastic indicator, the lines are starting to perform the reversal. I also wanted to tell you that in our Telegram channel we break down our trading strategies every day. So follow the link, subscribe, and stay up to date with all the new strategies. Let's know more about this successful trading. That's very great. We're in profit, guys. That's a fantastic result. The strategy, as always, is working itself out very well. So here we go next. Okay. By the way, our balance is more than $1,000. As a reminder, we maxed out this deposit with only $1. We are going to continue our trading because I want to earn more money. Well, let's go to the pair of the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen. What do we have right over here? I'm going to consider the whole chart, and let's go with the greens and come on. What can we observe here? According to the stochastic indicators, the lines are starting to turn. In addition, it is worth to say that our price is starting to push away from the support level and perform its reversal. Well, guys, I would like to say that this trading strategy is suitable even for beginners and for all platforms. That is why I have been using this strategy for so long. That's excellent, my dear friends. RD is closing in the plus side. There is already $2,000 on the balance. A very good result. I'm very happy. I'm going to continue with a bit more than $2,000 in my investment, and that's all that I have. So let's change our currency pair. Let's go to the United States dollar and to the Swiss franc. Okay, so here we are. Let's take the global trend and let's try with put option. Oh guys, we can see that according to the stochastic indicator, the lines are starting to perform the reversal right away here. In addition, the price has reached a resistance level from which it will push up and go down. And combining these two factors, we have become to the deal more than a sure thing. That's why we opened the downtrend. And well done, dear friends. The deal is closing the plus size, a very good result. We have almost $4,000. I put only $2,000 in my box, and let's keep looking and go to the Swiss franc and the Japanese yen. Consider the whole graph again and again. I'm going with pressing the red button right over here, guys, and come on. It's clearly shown this very situation that the price has reached a resistance level from which it will push off and go down. This is how it all looks like. In addition, according to the stochastic oscillator, the lines are also starting to reverse, which tells us that we have a more confident trade. Great, my friend, I had my time and I'm pretty glad. Our deal, as you can see, is working out perfectly, closing in the plus, and we take our profit. We already had over $5,000 on the balance sheet. I think it's a great result. As a reminder, we maxed out this deposit with only $1. And that's enough for me, so we can stop here. I would like to remind you that we analyze these trading strategies in our Telegram channel. Come there and subscribe. I'm waiting for you there so much. This is the end of the video. Thanks you all for watching, and see you.